Fairly judged. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, fairly judged. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can help you communicate more effectively. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. The phrase, fairly judged, combines two words, fairly and judged. Fairly refers to something done in an impartial and just manner without favoritism or discrimination. Judged, on the other hand, means to form an opinion or conclusion about something or someone. So, when someone is fairly judged, it means they are evaluated or assessed based on reasonable standards and facts, without bias or unfairness. To better understand fairly judged, let's look at some examples. 1. In a competition, if the judges score all participants based on the same criteria, you can say the participants were fairly judged. 2. In a legal context, if a judge considers all the evidence and laws impartially before making a decision, the defendant is fairly judged. Being fairly judged is crucial in various aspects of life. It ensures that everyone receives equal treatment and that decisions are made based on merit and facts. This concept is fundamental in legal systems, workplaces, educational settings, and personal relationships. You can use fairly judged in sentences like, I believe the competition was fairly judged. Everyone deserves to be fairly judged on their abilities, not their background. Understanding and using the phrase, fairly judged, can enhance your English communication, especially when discussing topics related to justice, equality, and decision-making. I hope this video helps you grasp its meaning and usage. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.